been a recovery year after COVID-19 pandemic for the overall global economy. Pakistan's economy performed above expectations with all major macroeconomic indicators showing positive trend, resulting in a 3.94% economic growth rate this FY21 as compared to a revised negative 0.47% in FY20. This positive trend has been most notable in the recovery of the Pakistan capital market in this year, with the KSE 100 increasing 3,586 points or 8.20% since the beginning of 2021. The recovery trend has been witnessed prominently at CDC, with its financial performance displaying a very positive trend with an increase of 21.37% in profit after tax in 2021 as compared to the previous financial year, despite consecutive tariff reductions since the past 3 years. We owe our success, growth and outcomes to each and every single individual who played his part and continued to work with immense dedication and zeal to help CDC deliver even in the most stringent of conditions. Regulator. We are extremely thankful for the visionary guidance of our regulator, which has given us the support and sustenance to achieve targets ahead of us. Board and shareholders. In the recent circumstances, it was with the vision of our board and shareholders that we were able to respond to contingencies in order to meet the requirements of the Pakistan capital market in the changing business landscape. Clients. All our client institutions and individuals work in close coordination with CDC to create and deliver unique products and services in order to facilitate the end users as well as to work on projects of mutual benefit through synergetic outcomes. Employees. We are extremely grateful for as well as proud of the hard work and labor rendered by the dedicated employees of CDC for executing and realizing the company's vision. Public. It was the public's trust in CDC as an institution that encouraged and enabled us to strive in the realization of CDC's vision and helped us to maintain the reputation that CDC relishes today. To highlight CDC's major achievements, it continued to live up to its name and maintain its service portfolio as an essential service in line with its status as public interest company, thus playing a pivotal role in the uninterrupted and smooth continuation of Pakistan capital market operations. CDC has successfully sailed through the testing times and witnessed significant growth in all aspects of its existing businesses and subsidiaries, including Central Depository System, where the total market capitalization of shares is now 5,782.65 billion rupees. Trusteeship and Custody Services, which now has net assets of 1,233.02 billion rupees under custody. Centralized Insurance Repository, which now hosts more than 3 million life insurance policies. IT Minds, which now has a client asset size of more than 150 billion rupees. CDC SRL, which is the #1 share registrar service provider in Pakistan with 112 listed companies. Even in the challenging conditions, it was because of you that CDC was able to not only perform above par, but also launch and operationalize remarkable products and services such as facilitation for investment in stock market account through Roshan digital accounts, successful integration and processing of dividend disbursements through State Bank's Rast Payment Gateway, launch of Imlaq Financials, which is Pakistan's first mutual fund digital aggregator platform, launch of eClear, which is the first professional clearing member in Pakistan, facilitating the custody and settlement operations of brokerage houses, introduction of digital payment facility for IAS account holders against their letter of rights. With your support, we are working on the realization of our future plans, which include shared KYC repository to facilitate account opening with various financial institutions, integration of Imlaq with RDA for facilitating Pakistani diaspora to invest in mutual funds, channelization of micro-investment through telcos, development of a centralized information portal for information of property and property-related matters, dematerialization of national savings certificates and their induction in the CDS. CDC acknowledges its duty and responsibility towards the society and community, making humble contributions for the underprivileged to provide them with basic human needs. We attribute our perseverance and success to all of you for standing by us and placing the trust in us to continue in our legacy of providing unparalleled services to Pakistan's business landscape.